They say the automotive world is full of surprises, and the 2025 Dacia Sandman van is exactly that, a game-changer no one saw coming. Imagine a vehicle that perfectly blends practicality, comfort, and innovation, while staying true to Dacia's reputation for affordability. In a market where utility vans often fall into predictable patterns, the Sandman dares to stand out, offering something refreshingly different. The first thing that strikes you about the 2025 Sandman is its bold yet functional design. Dacia has clearly taken inspiration from modern SUVs, with sleek lines, a confident front grille, and rugged cladding that hints at its adventurous spirit. But this isn't just about aesthetics. The design serves a purpose. Aerodynamic efficiency has been optimized, resulting in better fuel economy and a surprisingly quiet ride, something you wouldn't expect from a van in this segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Sandman offers a choice of efficient yet capable powertrains, including a hybrid option that's sure to appeal to eco-conscious buyers. Dacia has smartly balanced performance with economy, making this van not just a workhorse, but a reliable companion for long journeys. The driving dynamics are smooth and composed, with responsive steering and a suspension setup that absorbs rough roads with ease. Inside, the cabin reveals just how far Dacia has come in elevating the user experience. High-quality materials, intuitive tech, and a surprising amount of space create an environment that feels premium without the premium price tag. The infotainment system is modern and user-friendly, with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and a suite of driver assistance features that make every trip safer and more enjoyable. Where the 2025 Sandman truly shines is its versatility. Whether you're a small business owner needing a dependable cargo hauler or an adventurer looking for a practical yet stylish travel companion, this van adapts effortlessly. The flexible interior layout offers multiple configurations, with fold-flat seats, ample storage compartments, and clever touches that make loading and unloading a breeze. What sets this van apart from its competitors is its value proposition. Dacia has always been about offering more for less, and the Sandman is no exception. You get a robust, well-equipped vehicle that punches above its weight class in terms of features and comfort, while keeping running costs low, a combination that's hard to beat. As the automotive landscape shifts towards sustainability and innovation, the 2025 Dacia Sandman van is a testament to smart engineering and thoughtful design. It challenges expectations, proving that a van can be both practical and exciting, all while remaining budget-friendly. If you found this review helpful and want to see more insights on the latest game-changing vehicles, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts about the Dacia Sandman van in the comments below. We'd love to hear if you think this van has what it takes to redefine its segment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.